Part 6 of our Indian Constitution. In this Part 6, Chapter 3. This Chapter 3 deals about the state legislature. Article 168 to 180 articles deals about the state legislature and speaker powers, deputy speaker powers, authority, etc. Explanation in these articles. Let us discuss about the each and every article one by one, from Article 168 to 180 of the Indian Constitution, which was incorporated in our Indian Constitution. Article 168 of our Indian Constitution says that Constitution of legislatures in states. Constitution of legislatures in states. So, which is assigned to the states powers and functions, that is incorporated in the states. Article 168. Article 169. Abolition or creation of legislature in legislative councils in states. Abolition. Article 169. Abolition or creation of legislative councils in states. So, in entire government, legislative councils, it was abolished. Later, Y.S. Rajshekhar Reddy in 2004, it was existed through Parliament amendment. So later, Y.S. Jagannath Reddy in recent past, he made one decision that abolition of state legislative council. So state government is state legislative assembly is having authority to abolish legislative council, to re-exist legislative councils in the state level. And Article 170 of the Constitution, composition of the legislative assembly. Composition, how many MLAs are there, what is the functions, and it was explained in this Article 170. That is Article 170. Article 171, composition of the legislative council. Composition of the legislative council. So population basis, members may be nominated to the legislative council from the local bodies. A legislative assembly based on strength, and eminent persons like teachers, professionals, various professionals nominated to this, graduates nominated to this legislative council. And Article 171, composition of legislative council. Article 172, duration of states legislative assembly. State legislatures, legislative assembly. Generally, state legislative assembly duration is 5 years. After 5 years, before 6 months, so election commission must conduct elections to re-exist, to reform, to came to power to form a new government at state level. Article 172, duration of the state legislature. Article 173, qualifications for membership of the state legislature. Qualifications of membership of the state legislature. You must be citizen of India, you should complete 25 years of age, and you should not hold any government office or profit, and you should not commit crime or corruption, any other offence against him. They are eligible to contest in the elections to occupy MLA position at state level. Article 174, sessions of the state legislative prorogation and dissolution. Sessions of the state legislature prorogation and dissolution. Generally, rainy session, winter session, and budget session. So there should not be maximum 6 months gap between the two sessions, two sessions in a year, in a particular year. Article 175, a right of governors to address and send messages to the both houses. So every inaugural session of the state assembly or legislative council, they give governor's address every year, and he give address on budget, annual budget, whatever aims and aspirations going to be fulfilled by the government. These are initially mentioned by the governor of the state. So governor of the state. And article 178, it deals about the speaker and deputy speaker of the legislative assembly. Article 179, vacation and resignation of and removal from the office of the speaker or deputy speaker. And article 180, the power of the deputy speaker or other person to perform the duties of the offices of to act as the speaker. If there is not availability of the speaker in this moment, some other person, so on behalf of speaker or deputy speaker, some other people who are eligible in the house of the people, maybe belongs to the ruling party, they can act as the speaker of the house to protect and to run house successfully.